Hey guys, what is up? So I just wanted to record a follow-up video on Spectify, and it was a spectacular failure. As you can see, the total value locked and market cap basically indicates it's very, very high risk, and yeah, it was very high risk, and that's why I only put in a minimal amount. And so I'll show you the price and what's happened since my video. So 2 days ago, it was, plummeting down. The last time I recorded it hadn't reached the, golden buy zone at just yet. But then I saw it going way past, okay? I did FOMO in. I'll be upfront. I did FOMO in before it got there. But I only put in a minimal amount that I could afford to lose, okay? So highly recommend not putting in more than you can afford to lose, because yeah, this is what can happen. Like, this is a very high risk investment. Obviously the TVL was very low, so yeah, we have to be aware of these things. So yeah, so what ended up happening was, yeah, it plummeted and plummeted. So once it reaches obviously past 61.8 and goes even lower, that's the danger zone. So when you see it going to here and below, it's basically past the point of no return. At this point, the 78.6, once it's below that, then it's a goner, baby. So yeah, lesson learned. Anyhow, that's crypto for you. I mean, obviously, I'm going to be upfront, like, I didn't really do my full-on research into this. This was more on the recommendation of my mentor, so I was just trusting what he did. And obviously, everyone needs to do their own research. So yeah, not financial advice. Please always do your own research. But yeah, good lesson to learn, to not FOMO in. So what ended up happening was, another thing was the liquidity pair, the Spect USDC, because this price plummeted so much, it basically ended up happening was that it wiped the liquidity and just wiped out what I put in there, and I only took out what I'd actually earned, because what I ended up putting in liquidity ended up going plummeting down because of the impermanent loss that happens when a coin moves. So yeah, if you don't know what impermanent loss is, I'll put a link to an article below that you can read about it, because it's really important to know. I didn't know, a year or two ago, I didn't really know what it was, but now I am aware. So this is actually what happened, was the impermanent loss made the liquidity pair just lose value, and basically it's probably at zero now. But I don't have anything in here anymore. I took it all out and I harvested what I'd earned and sold it. So yeah, lesson learned. Obviously. So that is actually good. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because yeah, we all can FOMO and make mistakes in crypto. And yeah, I've been years into this and I'm still FOMOing in. So goes to show, yeah, emotions really can run the show sometimes. So yeah, anyhow, I am going to show you guys a yield farm that is safe, that I've been in for a few weeks, and I know the developer behind it has had a long track record, and many projects he's done have been successful. So I've been listening to his AMAs and in the Telegram groups, asking questions. I got to the point where, yeah, I was feeling very comfortable enough to put in thousands into this instead of just hundreds. So this has been around. I've done previous videos on this. It's been around now. I was in it since launch, since before it was called by a different name. It had been, I don't even remember what it was now, but it swapped to the Animal Farm. So this is going great. Pigs is going up. People are buying pigs because there's a new pool that basically Forex Shark has just announced is going to be released on Tuesday next week, which is pigs BUSD pool. So that's why people are buying up pigs now, and pigs is going up. So I may as well show you, you know, the chart for pigs. Let's find it so you can see what's happening. Okay, so pigs is, my computer's going really slow. Okay, pigs is, it looks to be a double bottom, and people are like buying it up now. So yeah, you can see, you know, this was launch day. I was there when that happened, and it went to 1,000. I saw it plummet again, but yeah, I mean, I'm in this for the long term. So it's turning around now. People are buying up pigs because they want to get in the pigs BUSD farm, which will be launching at 3% a day. So that is what's happening there. And all of my pools and farms are going great. So you can see the total value locked has increased. It's increasing. So yeah, I mean, this whole impermanent loss thing and liquidity not being there anymore is not really likely to happen the way it did with Spect-acular. So yeah, I've got money in Drip BUSD. I've got it in dogs. I'm earning dogs. It's important to own dogs as well. Because that will be like, you'll need those if you want to refer people. So it's the same as what you did before with the Rev token, or with Drip, in that you have to hold a different token in order to refer people. So dogs is the same. You have to hold this in order to refer people, and then the pigs and the BUSD pool will be the 3% a day. So you can see people are buying up pigs now because of this announcement, and there are plenty more things in the works as well, partnerships and plenty of things. I would highly advise that you join the Telegram group Forex Shark Calls. I'll put the link to that below, because that's where he makes his announcements. So, and yeah, usually there'll be lots of fake groups as well on Telegram, which is really bad, but I'll put the link to the right group so you don't get into one of those fake groups. Just be really, really careful. Like on Telegram, it's notoriously bad for lots of scammers on there. Like fake copy groups will pop up, and also lots of scammers DMing you. Oh, it's ridiculous. It's like almost to the point of insanity. Like I joined an IDO today or the other day, and there was like 30 messages instantly as soon as I asked a question in the Telegram group. 30 like different scammers DM'd me all at once, pretending to be the admin of that group, saying, hey, can I help you, blah, blah, blah. So obviously, you know, admin will never DM you first. So you just basically block, report. So I was just doing that for like 15 minutes, blocking and reporting all these scammers contacting me on Telegram. Yeah, it's just so bad on there. But anyhow, very exciting. So just make sure you join the right groups. You don't respond to DMs from strangers, and you will mostly be safe on that front. Do watch my cybersecurity video that I did recently. I'll be posting a follow-up on that as well. I'm deep into my studies on that as well, so I do have more tips I can bring to you guys in the future on cybersecurity, seeing as I'm doing studying that. So I think that's all for this video. It's very exciting, this new pool, so stay tuned and I'll keep posting updates, and please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.